A Tulsa family is urging parents to teach children gun safety. This coming after their own tragedy of losing their son in a gun-related accident last weekend.
2 Works for You reporter Lauren Callender sat down with Eric DeGory's family, who shared their fondest memories of the 15-year-old in a story you'll only see on 2.
I just loved getting my hugs from him. He was always giving hugs.
Eric DeGory was a sophomore at Union High School. His mom, Jean, says calling him outgoing is an understatement.
I'd hear him screaming from down the street, "Mom!" at the top of his lungs, and then we'll get to the door, he'll go, "And how's your day, Mom?"
Jean says her son was always smiling and had a heart of gold.
I had one guy that ended up at our house because his mom and dad were fighting and drinking. And Eric was like, "He didn't need to be there, Mom. He had to be here."
Police say Eric was accidentally shot by another teenage boy last Saturday. His parents, both in the Marine Corps, taught Eric guns aren't toys.
He knew safety. He knew the gun safety. He knew the rules. He knew not to point guns at people.
His family is using kindness to cope with the pain of losing a child, bringing food to the first responders who were at the scene.
Just doing those things helps us to remember Eric in the good light and how great he was. And so, yeah, but if not, I'd probably be curled up in a ball in my closet and nobody would find me.
While there are still questions surrounding what happened the night of the accident, the Jones family has a message for other parents.
Don't be a stranger in your child's life. Know who his friends are or her friends.
In Tulsa, Lauren Callender, 2 Works for You.